Welcome to today's English Phrases, an online English channel.
Kecelakaan dan asuransi.
Accident and insurance. Accident and insurance.
Telah terjadi kecelakaan.
There has been an accident. There has been an accident.
Truk bertabrakan dengan mobil di persimpangan jalan.
A truck and a car collided at the crossroads. A truck and a car collided at the crossroads.
Tabrakan itu beradu kepala.
It was a head-on collision. It was a head-on collision.
Sepeda motor menabrak truk dari belakang.
A motorcycle ran into the back of a truck. A motorcycle ran into the back of a truck.
Seorang pejalan kaki ditabrak sebuah bus.
A pedestrian was knocked down by a bus. A pedestrian was knocked down by a bus.
Tidak ada yang terluka.
No one was injured. No one was injured.
Sopir itu luka berat.
The driver was seriously injured. The driver was seriously injured.
Dia dalam keadaan kritis.
He is in critical condition. He is in critical condition.
Apakah ada korban?
Were there any witnesses? Were there any witnesses?
Tidak ada yang selamat.
There were no survivors. There were no survivors.
Cepat panggil ambulan.
Call an ambulance quickly. Call an ambulance quickly.
Korban terakhir meninggal dalam perjalanan ke rumah sakit.
The last survivor died on the way to hospital. The last survivor died on the way to hospital.
Kesalahan siapakah itu?
Whose fault was it? Whose fault was it?
Apakah ada saksi-saksi?
Were there any casualties? Were there any casualties?
Bolehkah saya minta Anda menjadi saksi?
May I ask you to act as a witness? May I ask you to act as a witness?
Di mana saya bisa menghubungi Anda?
Where can I get in touch with you? Where can I get in touch with you?
Adakah yang mencatat nomor polisi mobil yang lain itu?
Did anyone take down the license number of the other car? Did anyone take down the license number of the other car?
Sebaiknya kita panggil polisi.
We had better call the police. We had better call the police.
Apakah polisi itu membuat laporan lengkap?
Did the police make a full report? Did the police make a full report?
Itu kasus tabrak lari.
It was a case of hit and run. It was a case of hit and run.
Sopir itu melarikan diri dari tempat kecelakaan.
The driver fled the scene of the accident. The driver fled the scene of the accident.
Tidak dapatkah Anda melihat kemana Anda pergi?
Can't you look where you are going? Can't you look where you are going?
Bagaimana saya tahu Anda akan belok kanan?
How could I know you were turning right? How could I know you were turning right?
Anda tidak mengeluarkan tanda penunjuk.
You didn't have your indicator out. You didn't have your indicator out.
Anda tidak memberikan isyarat tangan apapun.
You didn't give any hand signals. You didn't give any hand signals.
Mengapa Anda mengerem tiba-tiba?
Why did you brake so suddenly? Why did you brake so suddenly?
Bahkan lampu rem Anda tidak menyala.
Your brake lights weren't even working. Your brake lights weren't even working.
Anda bahkan tidak menyalakan lampu.
You didn't even have your lights on. You didn't even have your lights on.
Anda parkir tanpa menyalakan lampu.
You were parked with no lights on. You were parked with no lights on.
Itu bukan salah saya.
It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault.
Bagaimana Anda berkata itu salah saya?
How can you say it was my fault? How can you say it was my fault?
Saya berhak jalan lebih dulu.
I had the right of way. I had the right of way.
Saya ada di jalan yang besar.
It was on a major road. It was on a major road.
Anda tidak berhenti di persimpangan.
You didn't stop at the crossroads. You didn't stop at the crossroads.
Anda menerobos lampu merah.
You went through a red light. You went through a red light.
Anda telah mendahului di atas 2 garis putih.
You overtook on a double white line. You overtook on a double white line.
Anda berkendara di sisi jalan yang salah.
You were driving on the wrong side of the road. You were driving on the wrong side of the road.
Apakah Anda melihat kaca spion sebelum mendahului?
Did you look in your rear mirror before overtaking? Did you look in your rear mirror before overtaking?
Saya sangat menyesal. Itu kesalahan saya.
I'm sorry. It was entirely my fault. I'm sorry. It was entirely my fault.
Saya akan bertanggung jawab sepenuhnya.
I will take full responsibility. I will take full responsibility.
Saya tidak dapat mengendalikan kemudi.
I lost control of the wheel. I lost control of the wheel.
Rem saya tidak bekerja sebagaimana mestinya.
My brakes didn't function properly. My brakes didn't function properly.
Saya tidak melihat Anda datang.
I didn't see you coming. I didn't see you coming.
Salah satu ban saya meletus.
One of my tires burst. One of my tires burst.
Jalan sangat licin.
The road was so slippery. The road was so slippery.
Saya lebih suka menyelesaikannya segera dengan Anda.
I would prefer to settle with you right away. I would prefer to settle with you right away.
Berapa perkiraan kerugian Anda?
What do you estimate the damages to be? What do you estimate the damages to be?
Berapakah perkiraan biaya perbaikan itu?
How much do you think the repairs will come to? How much do you think the repairs will come to?
Sudahkah Anda mendengar laporan saksi?
Have you heard the eyewitness account? Have you heard the eyewitness account?
Dia sama sekali tidak menghiraukan rambu-rambu lalu lintas.
He paid no attention to the road signs whatsoever. He paid no attention to the road signs whatsoever.
Mobilnya terbalik 3 kali dan terbakar.
His car overturned 3 times and caught fire. His car overturned 3 times and caught fire.
Dia slip dan menabrak tiang lampu.
He skidded into a lamp post. He skidded into a lamp post.
Dia menabrak jendela toko.
He crashed into a shop window. He crashed into a shop window.
Mobilnya hancur.
His car is a write-off. His car is a write-off.
Dia jelas di bawah pengaruh alkohol.
He was obviously under the influence of alcohol. He was obviously under the influence of alcohol.
Saya harus menuduh Anda membawa mobil dengan ceroboh.
I must charge you with reckless driving. I must charge you with reckless driving.
Saya tilang Anda karena membawa mobil dalam keadaan mabuk.
I'm booking you for a drunken driving. I'm booking you for a drunken driving.
Boleh saya lihat SIM Anda?
Can I see your driving license? Can I see your driving license?
Surat izin mengemudinya telah dicabut.
His driving license has been withdrawn. His driving license has been withdrawn.
Dia dilarang mengemudi selama 5 tahun.
He has been banned from driving for 5 years. He has been banned from driving for 5 years.
Apakah Anda diasuransikan?
Are you insured? Are you insured?
Apakah Anda ditanggung asuransi?
Are you covered by insurance? Are you covered by insurance?
Perusahaan asuransi apakah yang menanggung Anda?
What company are you insured with? What company are you insured with?
Dapatkah saya melihat kartu asuransi Anda?
Can I see your certificate of insurance? Can I see your certificate of insurance?
Apakah asuransi Anda meliputi semuanya atau pihak ketiga saja?
Is your policy comprehensive or third party only? Is your policy comprehensive or third party only?
Apakah ada potongan?
Is there any deductible? Is there any deductible?
Apakah premi saya akan dinaikkan?
Will my premium be increased? Will my premium be increased?
Anda berhak mendapatkan bonus tanpa klaim.
You are entitled to a no-claim bonus. You are entitled to a no-claim bonus.
Apakah premi saya akan dikurangi?
Will my premium be reduced? Will my premium be reduced?
Berapa premi tahunan saya sekarang?
How much is my annual premium now? How much is my annual premium now?
Apakah saya ditanggung terhadap kebakaran dan pencurian?
Am I insured against fire and theft? Am I insured against fire and theft?
Mobil saya dicuri semalam.
My car was stolen last night. My car was stolen last night.
Pencuri telah masuk ke dalam mobil saya.
A thief broke into my car. A thief broke into my car.
Polis Anda telah habis waktunya.
Your policy has expired. Your policy has expired.
Kami mengirim Anda surat pembaharuan bulan lalu.
We sent you a renewal notice last month. We sent you a renewal notice last month.
Saya kira kami tidak akan memperbaharui polis Anda.
I am afraid we cannot renew your policy. I am afraid we cannot renew your policy.
Bisakah saya diasuransikan di tempat lain?
Can I get insured elsewhere? Can I get insured elsewhere?
Sebaiknya Anda menghubungi agen asuransi.
You had better see an insurance broker. You had better see an insurance broker.
Kedua perusahaan asuransi itu menyatakan klaim mereka benar.
The insurance companies both claim their clients are right. The insurance companies both claim their clients are right.
Perkara itu harus diselesaikan di pengadilan.
The case will have to be settled on court. The case will have to be settled on court.
Saya lebih suka menyelesaikannya di luar pengadilan.
I would prefer to settle the matter outside the court. I would prefer to settle the matter outside the court.
Apakah Anda punya pengacara?
Have you got a lawyer? Have you got a lawyer?
Siapa yang menang perkara itu?
Who won the case? Who won the case?
Apakah asuransi mobil wajib di Indonesia?
Is motor insurance compulsory in Indonesia? Is motor insurance compulsory in Indonesia?
Berikan rincian kecelakaan itu.
Give details of the accident. Give details of the accident.
Nama tertanggung.
Name of the insured. Name of the insured.
Nomor polis.
Policy number. Policy number.
Nama pengemudi waktu terjadi kecelakaan.
Name of the driver at the time of the accident. Name of the driver at the time of the accident.
Waktu dan tempat kecelakaan.
Time and place of the accident. Time and place of the accident.
Nama dan alamat saksi yang hadir.
Name and address of any witnesses present. Name and address of any witnesses present.
Apakah ada polisi mencatat keterangan terperinci?
Did any policeman take down details? Did any policeman take down details?
Nama semua orang bersama Anda di mobil pada saat kecelakaan.
Name of all persons in the car with you at the time of the accident. Name of all persons in the car with you at the time of the accident.
Gambarlah denah kecelakaan itu.
Draw a map of the accident. Draw a map of the accident.
Ini perkiraan reparasi dari bengkel saya setempat.
Here is the repair estimate from my local garage. Here is the repair estimate from my local garage.
Spakbor kiri penyok sekali.
The left fender is badly dented. The left fender is badly dented.
Pintu kanan hancur.
The right door is smashed. The right door is smashed.
Grillnya hancur.
The grill is shattered. The grill is shattered.
Bumpernya bengkok.
The bumper is twisted. The bumper is twisted.
Lampu belakang pecah.
The tail light is broken. The tail light is broken.
As belakang rusak.
The axle is damaged. The axle is damaged.
Dapatkah Anda memberi saya formulir untuk reparasi?
Can you give me a repair order form? Can you give me a repair order form?
Di mana kecelakaan itu terjadi?
Where did the accident occur? Where did the accident occur?
Apakah Anda menerobos lampu merah?
Did you jump a red light? Did you jump a red light?
Jangan lupa like, subscribe, share, komen, dan bagikan video ini sebanyak-banyaknya. Semoga bermanfaat. Terima kasih.